Your cruise ship pulls away from the dock and your stomach drops. You just made mistake number one, and there's no turning back. In the next 15 minutes, I'll reveal the 20 rookie errors that turn paradise into panic and exactly how to dodge them. Hey there, future cruise rock stars! Welcome to the ultimate survival guide for your very first voyage on the high seas. I'm your virtual cruise director today, and whether you're sailing to the Bahamas, the Mediterranean, or an epic transatlantic crossing, this video is your ticket to skipping the rookie regrets and diving head first into vacation bliss. We're about to count down the top 20 mistakes first-time cruisers make, from embarrassing fashion fails to wallet-draining oversights, in a clear, no-fluff format. For each mistake, I'll give you the what, the why it hurts, and the pro fix you can apply today. Think of this as your personal cheat sheet. Pause, screenshot, share with your travel buddy. By the end, you'll board that ship like you've done this 100 times. Let's set sail, starting with lucky number 20. Mistake number 20, booking the cheapest cabin without checking the deck plan. You're scrolling late at night, see an inside cabin for $300 less than a balcony, and click Book Now. Fast forward to 2 a.m. on night one, thump, thump, thump from the disco directly above your pillow. Or worse, you're under the galley, and every morning at 5 a.m., it sounds like a bowling alley. Why it hurts? Cruise ship deck plans are like real estate. Location is everything. Noise travels downward, motion is worse at the extremes, and some obstructed view cabins look straight into a lifeboat. Pro fix? Before you commit, head to the cruise line's website or cruisecritic.com and download the deck plan PDF. Zoom in. Avoid cabins directly below the pool deck, chairs dragging at 6 a.m., the theater, base until midnight, or the galley, clanging pots. Midship on decks 6 through 9 is usually the Goldilocks zone. Less rock, less noise, quick elevator access. If budget's tight, go one deck higher than the public areas, not right on top of them. Mistake number 19, ignoring the dress code like it's optional. You packed 15 graphic tees, board shorts, and 0 collared shirts because it's vacation. Then you show up to the main dining room on elegant night, and the maitre d' politely turns you away. Suddenly, you're eating pizza in the buffet while everyone else is sipping wine under chandeliers. Why it hurts? Most mainstream lines, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, have 1 or 2 smart casual nights and at least 1 formal night per 7-day cruise. It's not stuffy, it's part of the fun photo ops. Pro fix? Check your cruise line's website under What to Pack. Universal pack? 1 dark blazer, men can pair with jeans, women with pants or dress, and dress shoes you can walk in. Accessories elevate everything. Pro move, pack a lightweight scarf or statement necklace. Instantly formal. If you forget, onboard shops sell basics, but you'll pay double. Mistake number 18, assuming Wi-Fi is free and unlimited. You open TikTok on the Lido deck, buffering wheel of death. By the time your video uploads, you've racked up an $89 surprise charge. Why it hurts? Cruise Wi-Fi is satellite-based, pricey, and slower than your grandma's dial-up. Average cost is $15 to $25 per day per device. Pro fix? Pre-purchase the Wi-Fi package online, usually 15 to 25% cheaper. Royal Caribbean's Voom, Carnival's Social Plan, etc. If you just need messaging, buy the cheapest tier. Real hack? Download the Cruise Line app before you leave home. It works offline for schedules. Turn your phone to airplane mode the second you board. Use ship Wi-Fi only in port where it's stronger, and preload Netflix shows, Spotify playlists, and ebooks on the plane. Mistake number 17. Overpacking shoes like you're moving apartments. You Tetris 3 suitcases shut with hiking boots, stilettos, water shoes, sneakers, wedges, sandals, and slippers. Day 2, you live in flip-flops. Your partner trips over your shoe mountain nightly. Why it hurts? Cabin storage is tight. Think airplane overhead bin rules. Airlines charge for bags over 50 pounds. Pro fix? The 3-shoe rule. 1 waterproof, pool, beach, or excursions. 1 comfy walking sneaker, ports and ship stairs. And 1 dress shoe, elegant night. Socks fix everything else. Ships have self-service laundry mid-cruise if you spill gelato on day 4. Mistake number 16. Skipping the muster drill because it's boring. You're sipping a welcome cocktail when the alarm blares. You have no idea where your muster station is, can't find your life jacket, and security is paging your cabin number. Why it hurts? Attendance is mandatory and tracked by keycard scan. No drill, no sailing. You'll be escorted off. Pro fix. Treat it like the airline's safety demo. 15 minutes that could save your life. Download the Cruise Line app. Some let you watch the video in your cabin now. Bring your keycard, wear ship-friendly shoes, and note the route from your cabin to the lifeboat. Mistake number 15. Waiting until on board to book specialty restaurants. You finally crave that Brazilian steakhouse on night 5, every slot is booked solid for the week. You settle for the buffet's mystery meat. Why it hurts? Popular venues like Teppanyaki, Chops Grill, or Le Bistro fill up fast, especially on sea days. Pro fix? Log into your cruise account 60 to 90 days before sailing, or right when booking opens for suite guests. Reserve online. Many lines offer dining packages, 3 nights for the price of 2. If you miss it, sprint to the restaurant podium the second you board. Some hold tables for walk-ups. Mistake number 14. Forgetting to set your watch to ship time. You're in Cozumel, phone auto updates to local time, and you stroll back to the pier at 4:45 for a 5 o'clock all aboard. Except ship time is 1 hour ahead. You just missed the boat. Why it hurts? Ports can be 30 to 60 minutes off ship time. Missing the ship means expensive flights to the next port. Pro fix? The ship always runs on ship time. Change your watch manually at the gangway each morning. Write ship time on a sticky note on your phone. Crew announces it daily. Mistake number 13. Buying the unlimited drinks package without running the numbers. You swear you'll slam 8 cocktails a day to break even, then nurse 2 iced teas and feel buyer's remorse. Why it hurts? Packages cost $60 to $90 per person per day. Drinks average $12 to $15 each. You need 5 to 7 alcoholic drinks daily to profit. Plus, your partner must buy it too on most lines. Pro fix? Do the math. Total package cost divided by drink price. Under 5 drinks? Skip it. Love specialty coffee and mocktails? Some packages include those now. Pro tip? Free drinks abound. Lemonade, iced tea, coffee, hot chocolate, and water stations 24/7. Mistake number 12. Assuming ship excursions are the cheapest or only option. You pay $199 for a beach break, that's a $15 taxi ride from the pier. Why it hurts? Ship tours are convenient but marked up 50 to 100%. Pro fix? Research ports on cruise critic forums or Facebook groups. Book third-party operators with excellent reviews, Viator, Shore Excursions Group, DIY with local taxis or Uber in places like St. Thomas. Ship tours guarantee you're back on time. Independents require buffer. Mistake number 11. Showing up with 1 outlet and 5 gadgets. Your cabin has 2 USB ports and 110-volt plug. phone, camera, tablet, and partner's laptop, someone's sleeping with a dead battery. Why it hurts? Outlets are scarce. Extension cords with surge protectors are banned for fire risk. Pro fix: pack a non-surge power strip with 3 outlets and 2 USB ports. Amazon sells cruise-approved ones for $12. Label it with your cabin number.
Mistake number 9. Ignoring the daily planner like it's junk mail. You missed the free champagne art auction, the 80s trivia with prizes, and the sunset sail-away party because the paper is buried under towels. Why it hurts. The planner, physical or app, is your roadmap to free fun. Download the Cruise Line app, Carnival Hub, Royal IQ, Medallion Class. Set reminders. Old school? Photograph the paper planner each night before bed. Mistake number 8. Overscheduling every sea day like a boot camp. You book breakfast at 8, spa at 9, rock climbing at 10, trivia at 11, lunch at 12, bingo at 1, and collapse by 2 p.m. with a migraine. Why it hurts? Sea days are for recharging, not racing. Pro fix: pick one morning activity, one afternoon, and leave 2 hours to read by the pool with a virgin pina colada. Say no to FOMO. Mistake number 7. Bringing 0 motion sickness remedies. Day 1 is glassy calm. Day 3 hits 15-foot swells. The medical center charges $79 for 2 Dramamine. Why it hurts. Even big ships move. Ginger pills are cheaper at home. Pro fix: pack Dramamine, Bonine, Sea-Bands, Ginger Chews. Green apples and plain crackers from the buffet are free cures. Book midship, lower deck for stability. Mistake number 6. Tipping confusion. Prepaid, but still awkward. You prepaid gratuities but feel guilty. Do you tip extra? Why it hurts. Auto gratuities are $14 to $16 per person per day, cover steward and dining staff. Skipping extra for stellar service feels cheap. Pro fix: tip extra in cash, $5 to $10 for bar service above and beyond. $20 envelope for your steward on the last night. Room service delivery, $2 to $3. Mistake number 5. Bringing banned items in your carry-on. Security confiscates your full-size shampoo, travel iron, and that bottle of rum you hid in your backpack. Why it hurts. Lines are strict. No irons, no surge protectors, no outside alcohol, except 1 bottle wine per adult. Pro fix: check the prohibited items list online. Pack travel-size toiletries, buy full-size on board or in port. Mini hair tools are allowed. Mistake number 4. Not photographing your luggage and documents. Your black roller bag looks like 900 others. It's lost in the terminal, or worse, you can't find your passport photo when immigration asks. Why it hurts. Delays and stress on day 1. Pro fix: snap a photo of your packed suitcase, tie a neon ribbon or sticker. Photograph passport, driver's license, and email it to yourself. Mistake number 3. Ignoring onboard credit like it grows on trees. You have $100 OBC, but forget. Poof, gone at midnight final night. Why it hurts. Free money for spa, photos, or specialty coffee. Pro fix: track OBC in the app. Use it on sea days when spa offers 20% off. Buy that cruise photo you love. Mistake number 2. Sailing without travel insurance. Flight cancellation, appendicitis in Nassau, or hurricane reroute, you're out $5,000 with 0 refund. Why it hurts. Cruises are non-refundable after final payment. Pro fix: buy insurance within 14 days of deposit for cancel for any reason. Allianz Travel Guard, quotes in 90 seconds online. Mistake number 1. Waiting in the buffet line on embarkation day. You board hungry at 11:30 a.m. and spend 45 minutes in a human snake for cold eggs. Why it hurts. Everyone heads to the buffet. It's chaos. Pro fix: head to the main dining room, open for embarkation lunch, table service, 0 lines. Or hit the pool deck grill for fresh burgers while the masses queue. You'll be sipping a cocktail by the time they find a seat. And there you have it, shipmates. 20 avoidable blunders transformed into 20 pro-level hacks. You're now armed with the knowledge of a 5-time cruiser, ready to board with confidence and zero regrets. Quick recap: check deck plans, pack smart, pre-book the good stuff, do the math on packages, and never, ever wait in that buffet line on day one. Drop your biggest cruise worry in the comments. I read and reply to every single one. If this video saved your vacation, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a tip. Share it with your travel squad. They'll thank you when they're sipping champagne instead of stressing. Until next time, keep your passport handy, your sea legs steady, and your sense of adventure sky high. Smooth sailing, friends. This is your captain, signing off.